I'm Gary Boyd, and I've been working with the youth for 51 years. I started teaching agriculture at Union Grove. I taught for 43 years, and when I retired 6 years ago, I just had some grandkids that were interested in 4-H, and I was a 4-H leader in college. We show animals. We've had champions at every livestock show in the state of Texas, just about. The thrill of watching the kids when they achieve something that they've worked hard for, that's always a pleasure for me to see their faces when they're so happy, and that's what really thrills me, is to see the success that they have. I try to teach them things about life. That's one thing that I've always enjoyed, is working with the kids. And it makes me feel young to be with them.
I've been in 4-H for 6 years with Mr. Boyd, and it's been a great 6 years. Mr. Boyd, me and him have been to hundreds of livestock shows. I mean, the time that you get to spend with him like that, that's pretty special, you know. He's just very well respected, and all these people that used to go to Union Grove, they want their kids to know him and show under him and interact with him, because he's just that kind of a man, and he's very special in my life too. So I'd say thank you. I mean, just thank you for always being there for me and kind of just taking me under your wing and leading me to be and do the things that I get to do.
Well, I really appreciate the award that I'm being presented. I certainly have enjoyed every minute of it, and I'm looking forward to working with the 4-H as long as I can.